Now, 3 marks questions. A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. This is a cone form is there. The height of this cone is 8 centimeter. Radius is the 5 centimeter. Its top is open. It is filled with water up to the brim, up to the top of water filled. Okay. When the lead shot, each of which is sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter are dropped into the vessel. So here lead shot is there. This lead shot the radius is 0.5 centimeter. These lead shots are dropped into the vessel. Dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of water float. Lead shots are dropped into the vessel means how much water float? 1/4 of water float. Find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. So, how many lead shots dropped into the vessel? That is the question. See here, this is the cone. Cone radius 5 centimeter, height is the 8 centimeter. This is the lead shot, radius 0.5 centimeter. So, this lead shots dropped into the vessel. Water, how much float? 1/4 of water float. So here what is the question mark? How many lead shots dropped into the vessel? This is the question mark. So first what we will do? First we will find the volume of vessel. This cone we will find. Next we will find the volume of radius. Okay, later we will think later. So first we will find volume of cone. Volume of cone formula what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Right here volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to here 1 by 3 pi, right as it is, pi into radius how much? 5. 5 into 5 into height how much? 8. Right here. Now see here 25 5 is a here up so no cancel possible. 5 5 is a 25. 25 into 8 200 into pi. 200 pi by 3. This is a value. So you write a centimeter cube. You keep one side. Next, what we will do? This volume of lead shot. Lead shot means this lead shot, which shape is there? Sphere shape is there. So now we will write a volume of the sphere. Right here, volume of lead shot. Lead shot or sphere, right? So lead shot. So this lead shot is sphere shape. So volume of the sphere formula what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right formulas correctly. Now write here 4 by 3. Pi right as it is. Radius how much is there? 0.5 is there. So 0.5 means we can write 5 by 10 also. 0.5 without point 5 by 10. So now I am writing 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10. Now any cancel possible? See 5 1 ja 5 2 z 5 1 ja 5 2 z 10. 5 1 ja 5 2 z 10. Again any cancel possible? 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. So here what is remain? Upside pi remain. Downside what is remain? 3 to the 6 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of cone. This is the volume of lead shot. Next we will find what? How much water flow out. Okay. How much water flow out? 1/4 of water flow out. Okay. Now next what we will do? Volume of water that flow out. Okay. How much water flow out? 1/4 of water flow out. So now you write here 1/4 of volume of cone. Just now you got a volume of cone got. How much is there? 200 pi by 3. So into 200 pi by 3. This is the volume of the cone. 200 pi by 3. In this one to 1/4 water flow out. So into 1 by 4 into 200 pi by 3. So any cancel chance is there? 4 1 ja 4. 4 5 are 20, 0. So how much 1/4 water flow out after? What is the value is there? 50 pi by 3 centimeter cube. Now we want this 1/4 after flow out, water flow out after, this is the value. Okay. Now we want the number of lead shots. Try to understand. Now our final answer, number of lead shots we want. Lead shots. Okay, see. How many lead shots are there means first water flowing after. What is the volume of cone is there? 1/4 after flow out. Flow out after what is the volume of cone is there? 500 pi. Sorry, 500. No, this is 50. 50 pi by 3. Okay, divided by volume of one lead shot. Volume of one lead shot, how much you got? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. This did means you will get the answer. So, number of lead shots you want means 1/4 after water flowing after, what is the volume is there? 500 pi by 3 divided by volume of one lead shot. Volume of one lead shot, how much is there? 5 by 6. This divide means you will get the number of lead shots. See, this is the fraction, this is main divider, this is the fraction. So, upside number you will get as it is 50 pi by 3. Okay, down number, this is the divide. Down numbers, what happens? Reciprocal. So, write here 6 by 5. So, now any cancel? Pi cancel. 3 1s are 3 to the 6. So, 50 into 2. So, how many lead shots are there? 100 lead shots are there. Once again, I will revise it. First, volume of cone find. Next, volume of lead shot you find. Next, 1/4 after water flow after. What is the volume is there you find? Later, this volume, okay, divided by volume of one lead shot means you will get answer. 28 R question. A hemispherical section is cut out from the one face of the cubical wooden box. This is a cubical wooden box. One face, one hemispherical section is removed. Okay. Next, such that diameter of a hemisphere. This hemisphere diameter is 7 centimeter and it is equal to edge of the cube. This cube edge also 7 centimeter to diameter of hemisphere also 7 centimeter. Next, equal to the edge of the cube. Now we will find determine the surface area of the remaining solid. This surface, this diagram surface area we will find. So what we will find? First cube surface area, total surface area of a cube plus this curved surface area of a hemisphere, curved surface area of a hemisphere minus here one circle is removed. So area of a circle. So this overall total surface area one means what we will find? Total surface area of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere minus area of circle did means we will get the answer. So first we will write the formulas. Total surface area of a cube formula 6 L square plus curved surface area of a hemisphere 2 pi r square. Formulas write correctly 2 pi r square minus area of a circle formula pi r square. Now you applied means you will get the answer. Now see 6 into length of the cube, how much is there? This first one is a cube. Length of the cube, how much is there? 7. So 7 into 7 plus 2 into pi value is the 22 by 7. Okay, this is what a hemisphere. Hemisphere diameter 7. So radius what is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 minus third one circle pi r square. Pi value is the 22 by 7. Radius how much? Same 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So the first one is a cube, second one is a hemisphere, third one is a circle. So any cancel chance is there? Now see 7 7s are 49. 49 into 6 is 294. These three added means you will get 294. Plus any cancel chance? This a cancel. 7 7 cancel. 2 1s are 2 1s are cancel. 2 1s are 2 11s are. 11 into 7 77. Next minus. Here see any cancel chances is there? See 7 1s are 7 1s are cancel. 2 1s are 2 11s are. Again any cancel chances there? No. So 7 into 11 77 by 2. Now see this both we can add 294 plus 7 371 minus 77 by 2. So now what we will do? Here nothing means what? 1. So what is the LCM? 2 LCM. So here into 2, here into 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 742 minus 77. 742 minus 77 means what you will get? 665 by 2. So divide 665 divided by 2 means 2 3s are 6, 0 again takes 2 3s are 6, 0 5 remain, 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 0.05 2 5s are 10. So 332.5. So 332.5. This is what area. Okay, area means what you will write a centimeter square. So full surface area of total surface area of this diagram means you will get 332.5 centimeter square. 36 question. The maximum volume of a closed cylindrical tank is 6660 meter cube. So this cylinder is a closed cylinder. So this volume how much given? 6660 meter cube. Next, the diameter of its circular base, cylinder diameter 28 meter. Find the cost of the painting, its surface area, rate rupees 5 per meter square. So this is the question. Now carefully listen. See a cylinder, it is a closed cylinder. Painting means we will find the total surface area. Painting means full round also we will paint, up bottom also we will paint. So we will find first total surface area of a cylinder. But total surface area cylinder finding, what is the formula? Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h. But here we don't know the r, we know, but height we don't know. First we will find the height. Height finding, what is the clue is there? Is given the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder using, first we will find the height of the cylinder. Carefully listen. First we will find height, later we will think. Volume of the cylinder, how much is there? 6160. So volume of the cylinder formula, what? Pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h is equal to 6160. Okay, what we know, we will write it. Pi value is the 22 by 7. Radius, diameter given 28. So radius what? 14. So radius is the 14. So 14 into 14 plus height we don't know. We are finding height. Height is equal to 6160. So height, here any cancel possible? See here, 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. So what remain? Write it 22 into 2 into 14 remain into h is equal to 6160. So h will write, remaining we will send that side. H is equal to 6160. See, these all into, after is equal to, it's become a divide. So write here 22 into 2 into 14. So now we will cancel. Any cancel chances is there? See, see, first we will try 2 ones. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. Here 0, 2 8s are 16, 0. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Here 1 remain less than 2. So 2 0 right, 2 8s are 16, 2 zeros are 0. Next again we will try 2 ones. 2 ones are 2 ones are. See here, 2 ones are 2, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros 0. Next we will try 11 ones are 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11, 4 remain, 11 4s are 44, 11 zeros are 0. Now see here, 14 ones are 0. So height is equal to 10 meter. Now you got the height. Now painting means we will find the total surface area. So curve also we will paint, up also, down also we will paint. So first we will find, now we will find the total surface area of a cylinder. What is the total surface area of a cylinder formula? 2 pi r into r plus h. So this is the formula. Now apply the values. 2 into pi value is the 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? Radius is the 14 into 14 plus height, just now you got height is the 10 into plus 10. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is the 14, 14 plus 10, height is the 10. Now see here, 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 plus 10, 24. Any cancel possible? See, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So now what is remaining? 22 2 is 44, 44 into 2, 88, 88 into 24. So now we will do 88 into 24. See here, 24 into 88. 8 4 is 32. 8 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19. Again write 192. 2 9 10 11 9 10 11 2 1 1 2. So total surface area of a cylinder, what is there? 2 1 1 2. What is this? Area. So meter square. But answer is not finished. Again we will find what? Cost of 1 meter square, how many rupees? 5 rupees. Right here, cost of 1 meter square is given rupees 5. But here total how many meter squares? 2112 meter squares. So cost of 2112 meter square is equal to question mark. Okay. So 2112 into 5. Into 5 means you will get amount. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 10,560 rupees. This is the question. See here once again I will repeat. Value of the cylinder is given. This one using first you will find the height. So painting means total surface area we will find. First you find the total surface area, you will get this answer. So again is given 1 square meter of 5 rupees. So this 1 square meters means this one into 5 means you will get the amount, this much amount. This is the answer. Next question we will do next video. Again you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Then